welcome to NDTV's special segment, Dynamic Maharashtra. Today, we bring you top stories from across the state, from the extended deadline for Class 12th exam forms to government's new initiative on cybersecurity. Let us begin. Our first story comes from Vidarbha, where Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has cleared a major infrastructure project. The Infrastructure Committee, which is chaired by the Chief Minister, has approved a 204-kilometer, which is a 4-lane highway between Nagpur and Chandrapur, with an estimated cost of 2,353 crore rupees. The CM also proposed extending it till this iron project, which will help boost connectivity for industries and mining in the region. The meeting also decided to speed up work on Nagpur-Gondia and Bhandara-Gadchiroli roads, giving a major push to connectivity in eastern Vidarbha. From now on, all state infrastructure projects will be linked to the Gati Shakti portal to ensure faster execution and transparency. Fadnavis emphasized that land acquisition must be completed before road construction begins and that every project should promote a strong development ecosystem around it. Once complete, this highway will enhance trade and employment opportunities across Chandrapur and Gadchiroli, giving the region a new identity. The government aims to ensure all projects are completed with quality, speed and efficiency, strengthening Maharashtra's economy. Now, relief for families of deceased government employees. Thanks to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' initiative, the long-pending case of compassionate appointments have finally been resolved. This move is being seen as a major step under the administrative reforms project. In a single day, 10,309 candidates were inducted into government service, including 5,187 compassionate candidates who received appointment letters and 5,122 MPSC selected candidates who also received these certificates. Earlier, families had to wait for years due to bureaucratic delays after death of an employee. To change that, the Chief Minister directed the General Administration Department to adopt a new policy in order to ensure transparency and speed. This policy has brought immediate relief to thousands of families.
मोदीजींनी जो आपल्याला संदेश दिला होता की सगळी रिक्त पदं ही भरली गेली पाहिजे, त्या दृष्टीने एक चांगलं काम आपल्या शासनामध्ये आपण सातत्याने करतो आहोत. अनुकंपा ही आपल्या सरकारची जबाबदारी आहे, या भावनेतून आपण हे केलं पाहिजे आणि म्हणूनच ही सगळी बदल आपण जे घडवले त्या बदलांमुळे आज आपण जवळपास 80% अनुकंपाच्या जागा भरलेल्या आहेत.
Among the selected MPSC candidates, 3,078 are from Konkan region and 2,597 are from the Vidarbha region. The decision is being viewed as an important step to speed up administrative processes and support affected families. Moving to Pune, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar reviewed issues around the Mudha and Mutha rivers, including pollution, water flow obstruction, and even flood control. He instructed officials to take immediate and concrete measures so that citizens don't face problems during the monsoon season. Pawar also directed that river improvement work be completed on time and with proper quality, ensuring direct benefits for the public. On to some good news for Class 12 students. Due to heavy rains and flood conditions, many Class 12 students were struggling to fill their exam forms on time. Following Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's instructions, the State Board has extended the deadline for exam form submissions. Now, students can fill their forms till 20th of October. For private candidates, however, the last date is October 15th, and for applying for new exam centers, the deadline is set at October 10th. And finally, a key update from digital front. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated the Cyber Awareness Month October 2025 campaign. This is to tackle the rising numbers of cybercrime in digital era. Now, the state has set up world-class cyber security labs and response centers. The Chief Minister expressed concerns over phishing, deepfake and voice cloning scams, urging citizens to stay alert. He said many victims don't report such crimes due to fear of embarrassment. Hence, public awareness is crucial. For immediate help in cyber fraud or financial scams, citizens are advised to call the helpline numbers 1930 or 1945. Actors Akshay Kumar and Rani Mukherjee have also joined this campaign, helping spread the message effectively among the youth. So those were the big stories defining Maharashtra today, from new highways and better connectivity to a safer digital future. You're watching NDTV. Stay informed and stay ahead.